Alright, so today I wanted to talk about my trip to probably one of the most beautiful outdoor rinks in the world. Now, as you guys are probably aware of, I live in Alberta, and obviously in Alberta, we have the Rocky Mountains, and they're amazing to go out and visit, but there are a few places, lakes mostly, where at certain times of the year you can go for a real awesome skate. And this was one of them where Gap Lake, which by the way, I've tried a lot to go and skate on Gap Lake, and it's been tough. Like, it's tough to get out there and actually find ice where you're going to go on there. You're not going to fall right through it, or it's in terrible condition, like you can't skate on it. It's pretty rare to find it where it's either not too cold where you're going to freeze, or it's not cold enough where the ice isn't good enough to skate on, or there's too much snow. There's usually always something at this place, but thankfully this time there wasn't, and I truly believe it's gotta be one of the most beautiful outdoor rinks in the world. I mean, my dad put this on his Facebook, and he got a call to do a radio interview just based off the one picture, how breathtaking it was. But yeah, it's just awesome. By the way, check out this funny clip where I told my dad to record me, and look what he did.
It's on. Beautiful day. My son skating on Gap Lake. Belle journée.
I mean, the dude just cannot figure out technology. I don't know what it is, but he finally ended up getting videos of me. I wish I would have gotten more clips and videos, but this is what I got. And, hey, I mean, this is just absolutely breathtaking, awesome. And if you guys want to skate here, you can check up on it. But it's called Gap Lake in Alberta, near Calgary. And, yeah, go for a skate there. It's the perfect time of year to do it. I bet you there will be probably a couple of times where it will be skatable, but this is definitely one of the most beautiful. Check it off my bucket list. I love this place. Just wanted to make a quick little different video. If you want to see more content like this, because me and my dad, we go to a bunch of cool outdoor rinks, like this video, comment, and subscribe down below as well. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.